Good morning, student. Today our topic is deficiency of vitamins and minerals from chapter 2, component of food. Children, as earlier studied, disease that are caused due to lack of nutrient in the diet over a long period of time are called deficiency disease, and these diseases are not transmitted one person to another. Deficiency of carbohydrate nutrient in the diet results in deficiency of lack of energy and lack of stamina. Deficiency of protein cause kwashiorkor disease, and lack of protein along with carbohydrate cause PEM, protein energy malnutrition, which further leads to marasmus disease. Then deficiency of water in the body cause dehydration. Solution is ORS solution, oral rehydrating solution. This solution given to the patient who is suffering from dehydration to recover from dehydration. Now let's learn about some deficiency disease which are caused due to lack of vitamins and minerals. Now let's learn about some deficiency disease which are caused due to lack of vitamins. As you can see in the table, it lists some important vitamins and their sources, function, deficiency disease and the symptoms. First vitamin is vitamin A. Sources are green leafy vegetables, egg, carrot, fish. And the function of this vitamin is it keeps our eyes, hair and skin healthy. So the deficiency of this vitamins leads to night blindness. Symptoms are dryness of eyes and improper vision, means हमें दिखाई अच्छे से नहीं देता. Done. So हमें कैसे फूड आइटम इंक्लूड करना चाहिए? हमें इंक्लूड करना चाहिए अपनी डाइट में ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, एग्स, फ्रूट्स एंड कैरेट, फिश. Now next is vitamin B1, as it is water soluble vitamin, so it's not stored in our body. Sources are egg, grains, sprout. Function of this vitamin is it aids in digestion, means हमारे digestion में help करता है, and it maintain the nervous system. Deficiency disease which caused due to lack of this vitamin is beriberi. Symptoms are inflammation of nerves, digestive problems and heart problems. Here inflammation means रेडनेस आ जाती है, स्वेलिंग आ जाती है जो बहुत पेनफुल होती है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज विटामिन B2, अगेन वाटर सॉल्युबल विटामिन. सोर्सेज आर एग, मिल्क एंड ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स. फंक्शन ऑफ दिस विटामिन इज इट कीप्स आवर स्किन एंड माउथ हेल्दी. डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज इज स्किन डिसऑर्डर, मतलब स्किन से रिलेटेड डिजीज हमें होती है. सो सिम्टम्स आर inflammation, irritation of in eyes, skin and inflammation of tongue. Now next is vitamin B12. Sources are meat products. Then function of this vitamin is formation of red blood cells. So deficiency disease which caused due to lack of this nutrient is anemia. Now symptoms are pale skin and lack of stamina and appetite and frequent headache. Now next is vitamin C. Sources are citrus food which contains citric acid. That's why they taste sour, like lemon, orange, tomato. Function of this vitamin is it helps to resist infection and it keeps our teeth and bones strong. Now the deficiency disease which is caused due to lack of this vitamin is scurvy. Symptoms are loosening of teeth, spongy and bleeding gums, means teeth में से bleeding होती है, gums में से bleeding होती है, and weakness and pain in the limbs. Now next is vitamin D. Sources are milk, fish and especially sunlight. Now function of this vitamin is it aids in normal growth of bones in children, means छोटे बच्चों की bones की growth में ये हमारी help करता है. Deficiency disease is rickets. Now symptoms are weak bones, weak joints and softening of ribs. Ribs बहुत weak हो जाते हैं. Now last one is vitamin K. Sources are spinach, cabbage means green leafy vegetables. Function of this vitamin is it helps in blood clotting. मीन्स जब हमारे कोई घाव लग जाता है, मीन्स हमारे लग जाती है, हमें वुंड हो जाता है, तो उस वुंड से जो ब्लीडिंग होती रहती है उस पर क्लॉटिंग करने में ये हमारी हेल्प करता है. सो डिजीज दैट इज कॉज ड्यू टू दिस विटामिन, लैक ऑफ दिस विटामिन इज हेमरेज. मीन्स एक्सेसिव ब्लीडिंग. ब्लीडिंग रुकती नहीं है, लगातार कंटिन्यूसली ब्लीडिंग उससे होती है जहाँ हमारे लग जाती है. सो सिम्टम्स आर अफेक्ट क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड. अगर आपके लग जाएगी तो उसमें कंटिन्यूस ब्लीडिंग होगी, उस पर क्लॉटिंग नहीं हो पाती. ये इस विटामिन की कमी की वजह से होता है. तो हमें किस तरह के फूड इसमें ऐड करने चाहिए? कैबेज और ग्रीन लीफी, ऑल द ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स हमको ऐड करने चाहिए टू गेट दिस न्यूट्रिएंट विटामिन के. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट vitamins and their deficiency disease. Now let's learn about some deficiency disease which cause due to lack of minerals. As you can see, the table lists some important minerals and their sources, function, deficiency disease and their symptoms. First mineral is calcium mineral. Calcium mineral strengthen our bones and teeth and its help in clotting of blood. So deficiency of this disease leads to osteoporosis in adult and rickets in children. Symptoms are brittle bone, excessive bleeding, sudden growth and weakness of teeth and bones. Now second is phosphorus. Sources are cereal, pulses like dal and milk. Function of this mineral is strengthen bones and teeth. Now deficiency disease which is caused due to lack of this mineral is rickets. Obviously symptoms are weakness of bones and mental retardation and loss of weight. Now next is iron. Sources are pulses, cereal, meat, green leafy vegetables and function of this mineral is its help in formation of hemoglobin and red blood cells. Now the deficiency disease which is caused due to lack of this mineral is anemia, means blood की कमी होना. Symptoms are pale body color, white nails and swelling in hands and feet. Now next is iodine. Sources are salt and fish. Function is it's required for proper working of thyroid gland. Deficiency disease goiter. Symptoms are swelling in thyroid gland. मीन्स हमारे गले की जो थायराइड ग्लैंड होती है इसमें स्वेलिंग आ जाती है. सो ये हिस्सा हमारा स्वेल कर जाता है, बढ़ जाता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम. सोर्सेज आर सॉल्ट एंड मोस्ट फूड आइटम. फंक्शन ऑफ दिस मिनरल इज इट्स हेल्प इन मेंटेनिंग बॉडी वाटर बैलेंस. मतलब हमारी बॉडी का जो एज यू नो 3/4 ऑफ आवर बॉडी वेट इज वाटर. सो हमारे वाटर को, बॉडी वाटर वेट को बैलेंस करने के लिए ये मिनरल हमारी हेल्प करते हैं. नाउ डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ दिस मिनरल इज बॉडी एंड मसल्स वीकनेस और वी कैन से पैरालिसिस. सिम्टम्स आर जनरल वीकनेस एंड डिहाइड्रेशन. ऑब्वियसली लैक ऑफ डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ वाटर कॉज डिहाइड्रेशन. नाउ लास्ट वन इज मैग्नीशियम. सोर्सेज आर green leafy vegetables, cereals, chicken and fish, means meat product. Now function of this mineral is it's help to regulate the functioning of muscles and nerves. So obviously deficiency disease which is caused due to lack of this mineral is weak muscles and nerves. Symptoms are loss of appetite, upset stomach and sleeplessness, means हमको नींद नहीं आती है. So these are some important minerals and the deficiency disease which are caused due to lack of these minerals and the food item which we have to include in our diet. हमें अपनी डाइट में उनको इंक्लूड करना चाहिए ताकि ये डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज हमें ना हो. Okay, so this was all about this chapter. Children, read the chapter and learn the term, nutrients, 5 main nutrients, then balanced diet and deficiency disease. Thank you.